The 2026 BMW X5 is here, and it continues to define what a luxury midsize SUV should be with its bold design, advanced performance, and high-class interior that blends innovation with comfort. Starting with the exterior, the new X5 has been given a sharper, more refined look that showcases BMW's signature styling language. The front grille is slightly larger but more proportioned compared to previous models, flanked by sleek laser headlights that give it a futuristic yet aggressive presence on the road. The body lines are sculpted to enhance aerodynamics, and the 21-inch alloy wheels add to the athletic stance. BMW has also introduced new color options and a subtle redesign of the rear with slimmer LED taillights and a more muscular bumper that gives the SUV a confident and powerful finish. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW X5 is offered with a variety of powertrains to suit different drivers. The base model starts with a turbocharged inline-six engine that delivers impressive horsepower and efficiency. For those wanting more power, the V8 version pushes the limits with blistering acceleration that can rival some sports cars, while maintaining SUV practicality. BMW also brings in the plug-in hybrid option, combining electric efficiency with traditional engine power for those who want greener driving without sacrificing performance. With refined handling, adaptive suspension, and BMW's X-Drive all-wheel drive system, the X5 maintains exceptional stability and agility whether cruising on the highway or tackling tougher road conditions. It's a perfect balance of luxury and sportiness, a signature trait of BMW's engineering. Stepping inside, the 2026 X5 takes luxury to another level. The cabin is crafted with premium leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum accents that make it feel both elegant and modern. The new panoramic curved display integrates a 14.9-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, creating a futuristic cockpit feel. BMW's latest iDrive 9 system is smoother and more intuitive than ever, offering touch, voice, and gesture controls. Comfort is a priority, with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats available, alongside customizable ambient lighting that sets the mood for every drive. Passengers in the rear enjoy generous legroom, while the optional third row adds versatility for families. Technology enthusiasts will appreciate the wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, augmented reality navigation, and an available 30-speaker Bowers & Wilkins sound system that turns the SUV into a concert hall on wheels. In terms of pricing, the 2026 BMW X5 remains competitive within the luxury SUV segment. The base trim starts around $67,000 in the US, with the higher performance V8 versions climbing into the $90,000 range. The plug-in hybrid option sits between these prices, making it appealing for those who want efficiency without compromising luxury. Fully loaded with premium packages and top-of-the-line features, the X5 can surpass the $110,000 mark, but what you get in return is unmatched refinement, performance, and prestige. Overall, the 2026 BMW X5 continues to be a benchmark for luxury SUVs. It offers a perfect blend of bold styling, thrilling performance, cutting-edge technology, and upscale comfort. Whether you're buying it for family practicality or executive style, the X5 proves once again why it stands as one of BMW's most iconic and desirable models.